Hi, in front of me is REALME GT 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into device settings over here. Then scroll down, select passwords and biometrics, click on add face and enter your current login method. Then choose continue and remember to be still. Now click on done, and now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!